The Autochartist tool helps a trader analyze or conduct technical analysis on the market smoothly. Here is how to access it from your portal. Click on the drop-down menu, then under Trading Tools, select Autochartist, which is the second option. This will bring you to the registration page where you can set up Autochartist. On the first option, we have the access type. So you can choose whether to have a live access or demo trial access. So in this case, we'll go with the live access and then select whether you want to receive a market snapshot on your email. So in this case, we'll click on yes. Now, you will need to also select the sessions that you'll be doing. We have the 3 major sessions. Of course, this is the Asia session, the Europe session, and the USA session. So you can proceed and click all of them if you do trade all the sessions, or if you have a specification with one session, then you can just proceed and select one session. Then proceed to also select the language for your newsletter, or you can leave it at default or as English, and then click on the agree terms and then select on register now. This should have you completed the setup, and next you can now click on Autochartist trading opportunities. So this is where you can see the various asset classes at the top, and these include the UK shares, forex, commodities, and other asset classes. So for this example, we will select forex majors. Now in the first example, we can see the chart, the type of analysis that's there, and a breakdown of the thought process with these Autochartist analysis for this particular pair. You can do this with multiple pairs, and you can also set to receive alerts for this. You can also proceed to set other parameters in your Autochartist setup, where you can filter the asset classes that you want to see, or the pattern types and the formations you want to see on your Autochartist. For example, in this case, I can select or unselect key levels, Fibonacci patterns, and other chart patterns within this option. Once you have set up what exactly you want to see, you can then proceed to click on save, and this will filter out based on your parameters what exactly it is that you're watching out for, so that it makes your technical analysis much easier. Typical analysis will mention the type of pattern, the bias, and you can use this to confirm with your own analysis if you're already a consistent trader. If you're a new trader, you can use this tool to learn the different types of analysis, and it can guide you with your trading journey. For these and more tips, follow this playlist on our YouTube or watch the next video in this series.